All right, hi kindergartners. Today we're going to do a video with beginning sounds. Remember, the beginning sound is the first sound you hear. But before we start our video, we need to review our sounds. All right, you need to be watching very closely because I'm going to mix them up as I ask you what sound it is. So I'm going to start with a vowel first. Remember, we see vowels in the middle of our word. A lot of times, not always, but a lot of times. Tell me, what is this vowel? You are right. It says I, I, I. Take a look at my nose. It's all scrunchy. I. All right. I'm going to do one more, and then Miss Krier is going to find one. I like those vowels so much. I am going to find another one. Tell me what this one is. This one says ah, 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 ah. All right, Ms. Krier, your turn.
Let's see if the kids know this one. Do they know what this one is? Yeah, it's My lips are together for that one. Now, let's see. Do you guys know what this one is? Yeah, go, go, go. Go, go.
Remember that water goes down the drain. Go, go, go. All right, my turn, Miss Krier. You did too. I'm going to pick another one. Let's see. Ooh, this sound is the beginning sound of 3 of our names in our class, our friends' names. What is this sound? All right, and I'm going to pick our last vowel. Is that battery going to?
Nope.
Our last vowel. Tell me, what does it say? Ah, ah, ah. All right, 2 more, Miss Krier. Okay. You find them.
Oh, do you guys know what this one is? Yeah. Okay, one last one. Let's see. Which one is it? It's like the drum. Right. Okay, Ms.Rucker, you want to tell us what our game is?
All right, now we're ready to play our game. All right, I hope you have your dancing shoes on like we do, because we're going to dance, and when it says freeze, we're going to pick something out of our pumpkin, and we want you to tell us which sound it begins with. So if you put these sounds out on your table just like we have them, you can point to them, or you can even point to them on our computer. All right, let's get our music ready. Here we go.
Let's play the party freeze game.
All right, we want to see you dancing too.
When I say freeze, freeze. And when I say dance, dance. Dancing, dancing all around. Dancing, dancing, dancing. Dancing any way you please. But stop when I say freeze.
All right, are we ready? I'm going to pick something out of my bucket. The first thing I picked is a camera. Tell us, what is the first sound you hear in camera? Miss Krier, do you know?
Oh, let's see. Let's remember.
Did you have it right? I bet you did. All right, get up. Let's do some more dancing. Start.
Everybody, get ready to hop.
Hop this time.
All around. Hopping, hopping, hopping. Hopping any way you please. But stop when I say freeze.
All right, Miss Krier, your turn to pick.
Let's see what's in here. Let's see what this is. It's a turkey. What's that beginning sound for turkey?
Mm.
Can you find it, Mrs. Rucker?
Turkey. Turkey. This one says the t sound for turkey.
Oh, very good.
All right. Oh no. Here we go. Let's listen to what we do this time.
Get ready to skip.
Skip.
Skipping, skipping all around. Skipping, skipping, skipping. Skipping any way you please. But stop when I say freeze.
All right. I get
Ms.
to pick.
Rucker,
This
what do we have?
time, I'm closing my eyes and I'm picking out a gorilla. 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 Which letter sound says G?
G, 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 G. Gone. So that one is this one?
Yes, good. That says the G sound. All right, let's see what our next dancing instruction is.
Everybody, get ready to twirl.
Twirl!
Twirling, twirling all around. Twirling, twirling, twirling. Twirling any way you please. But stop when I say freeze. Everybody,
All right.
Let's see what our next one is. I'm gonna close my eyes as well. I'm gonna pull out a duck. So now it's a duck, Mrs. Rucker.
Duck. This one says the D sound. Duck. All right, let's dance some more.
get ready to dance.
Just dancing.
Dancing all around. Dancing, dancing, dancing. Dancing any way you please. But stop when I say freeze.
All right, I'm gonna search in here. Ooh, I found something small. Ooh, this one I think begins with a vowel sound. This is an igloo. Watch my nose. Igloo. Which vowel says I?
It's this one. This picture says
All right,
Let's see what we're gonna do now.
I have to move it back. All right. Hopping again.
Hopping all around. Hopping, hopping, hopping. Hopping any way you please. But stop when I say freeze.
All right, we have, oh, Ms.Krier, it's your turn. I almost went first.
It's okay. Oh, we have this one. It's a moose. A moose.
This one says All right, moose. Here we go. We have 2 left. I hope you're not getting too tired.
Get ready to skip. Skipping, skipping all around. Skipping, skipping, skipping. Skipping any way you please. But stop when I say freeze.
All right, my turn.
Okay.
All right, I'm going to, there's a big one and a little one in here. I'm going to pick the little thing again. Ooh, Mrs. Rucker does not like to eat these. These are olives. Ooh, my mouth gave you a clue. Olive. Olive. Which letter sound says ah for olive?
Olive. It's this one. This picture says the ah.
All right, here we go. One last song. Last time.
Everybody, get ready to twirl. Twirling, twirling all around. Twirling, twirling, twirling. Twirling any way you please. But stop when I say
right, Miss Krier, you get the last thing in our bucket. Pick it up.
This is an astronaut.
Astronaut. I think that's one of our vowels again. Astronaut. Ooh, astronaut. That is the sound that says ah.
Ooh. But now it looks like our pumpkin is empty.
You did it. You found the beginning sounds to all of our objects. You did a great job. Kiss your brain and say, good job, brain.
Good job, Brain.